All right, so it's day 310. We have replaced all of these points. There was a plate here, and what we did was basically take the plate off, 3D print a plate, and a counterpart for it, put a motor, and then we've got the motor chuck. You've got some idler pulleys here. They need some spaces still, so I'm going to print some of those out for it. And then we actually got the bed installed. So the bed's now in. And yeah, so just to show you guys kind of the scale of everything. So got a couple of things left to do. Gonna tighten this up. I need to tighten those down there. Um, and then I've got to start working on the the actual arm that's going to move with the extruder and the hot end and all of that jazz. I'm going to use a piezo, a Revo piezo nozzle. So that will allow for touch auto leveling. And then, yeah, so I think that's going to be the next focus. So I've got, for instance, just to show what's kind of working on. So this is another linear rail uh, that we're going to attach to this piece of 2020. And that will sit across here, attached to these linear rails. And yeah, so we're going to do that and then design everything uh, based on that. I think the stealth burner that I'm going to use from Voron is probably going to be the best option because it's kind of like an already built design. And I think what I'll do is essentially redesign it a little bit just to have a certain few functions. For instance, like my belt's going to be 10 millimeters versus the Voron, which I believe uses like 6 mils. So that's kind of what I'll end up doing there. And then the automatic, sorry, not the automatic, the actual pieces that go on the linear bearings, like right there, are designed for like underneath placement, but I have to place it on the side. So that's kind of what we'll do in the next couple of days. Hopefully, just kind of keep journaling and yeah. But just to show you guys, everything looks really nice, buttoned up. These are tight. You know, I can spin this here and it'll move. I'm excited to get all the electronics done. Honestly, I've got a Octopus Easy Max Easy. That's going to have 10 drivers on it, uh, and that's going to be the main control board. So we can get more into that as I keep posting. So, well, anyways, cheers.